Welcome to FB Music Laban Season 2. I'm your coach, Sammy. As you know, guys, we are doing this recording kasi bumabagyo. It's everyone is really worried and all that, but we were supposed to have really sort of a mini concert for everyone para ma-meet nyo yung ating grand winner at the same time yung ating special guest band for the opening of Season 2. But unfortunately, they were not able to make it. And of course, we don't want to risk their safety on coming here to Art House para, alam mo na, mabigyan namin kayo ng isang munting palabas at mai-announce formally and officially yung ating grand winner for our FB Music Laban Battle of the Original Pinoy Music Season 1. However, this is just very impromptu. We prepared something for you guys para lang magkaroon tayo ng sort of an opening ceremony like what we did before Season 1. So, we improvise and all that. We rehearse. And of course, meron tayong mga topics, a few discussions that will happen tonight. And as you can see, I'm alone. I'm with Boss Coach is here to support me. But yeah, really, he's also busy on the technical side of things. Mas lalo niyang inaayos yung ating studio para mas lalong maging masarap ang tugtugan natin on the upcoming seasons. Now, also, I'd like to take this opportunity as well to do a bit of a recap of what really happened, what had transpired during Season 1. Napakasaya ng experience, very rewarding. This is the first time that we did it, actually, like the online music competition. And of course, there were a few Filipino musicians as well who supported us. Like we had Yun, we had Loco Moco, the whole FB Music Laban team and all that, the 16 finalists, and even those who have submitted their entries, they have shown really full support for the FB Music Laban team, and we are really very grateful for that. Especially kay Boss Makoy, maraming salamat po sa walang sawang suporta at saka talaga namang all throughout, every step of the way nakaalalay. And whenever we are not sure of every decisions that we need to impart to the finalists, to those who submitted their entries, what do we need to do on this page or whatnot, talagang para siyang and just not a founder of FB Music Laban, but really became a leader sa amin within the FB Music Laban team. Maraming salamat sa buong pusong suporta niyo sa amin. That said, I'd like to take this opportunity. Ayoko nang malate tayo kasi time is running, but of course, we know that the weather is not really happy today, but we are going to provide you a few information on what's really gonna happen come Season 2. Actually, nag-opening na po tayo kahapon and the mechanics and the rules were posted. But if you wanna know more on the official entry form of our FB Music Laban Season 2, check our TikTok and our YouTube channel. It's gonna be posted there. Just maybe after this video and this announcements. But I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate the winners of FB Music Laban Season 1. I know I announced the 4, but really lahat sila magagaling, lahat nag-effort, talagang last hour makikita mo very close fight, and they really did their best to gain those votes, those reacts. And later on, I'll be showing their winning music videos to you. You'll see why they have the most number of votes, the second highest number of votes, and we have the best, or the judges award or the judges choice for best music and lyrics, and we'll also have the judges choice for best music video. I'm gonna be showing you the entire music and lyric video that they have submitted. So, of course, yes, na-announce ko na, alam naman natin, and those 4 awards goes to Junction Box Banking, Hello Belinda of Umaasa, and we have Tagyawat from Hawaiian Combo Meal, and we have the LDR from Pika Spoon. These people are really very grateful. Sobrang nakakataba ng puso yung mga nare-receive namin ng mga comments sa kanila. They wanna see us, they wanna jam with us, have a session with us. Yung makatapak lang sa art house, makita si boss coach, yung mga ganong komento na talagang nakaka-inspire. At sobrang thankful kami doon sa inyo. Hindi lang nakarating si Coach Sus kasi nga yung weather natin. But we will have like a sort of a mini collab and a mini concert. Meron tayong special guest band, as what I have mentioned, and the ating grand winner, they will visit us. I-announce namin yung date soon. Ayusin lang natin ang panahon. But yeah, I'm gonna be giving you, first is the best music video, the judge's choice for the best music video. Enjoy this one. This is Umaasa from Hello Belinda.
Ikaw,
At ako,
pangako. Ngayon,
at magpakailanman.
Nakatitig sa iyong mga mata, nasisilayan ko magandang mong ngiti at mapula
so that's umaasa from Hello Belinda. Now I'm gonna be giving you the full music video of our best music and lyrics. Napakaganda ng kanta nila, and it's just near this art house, yung sa Marilaki. Banking. Here's Junction Box. Tayo'y mag-banking dyan sa... Pinagtatawa na nila ako sa kabila. Pero nakaka-LSS kasi yung kanta nila, napakaganda. Malapit lang dito yun sa Art House of Antipolo. Congratulations again, Junction Box. Ayan. So, they have expressed their intent to meet us as well, and ayun, makatugtog kasama nila, makajam, rock and roll, ganyan. Okay, so bago ko ibigay sa inyo yung second and first or grand winner natin, meron kaming hinanda dito talaga. So, hindi pwedeng wala namang ipakita sa inyo or ibahagi na talento ang FB Music Laban Team. Since hindi nakapunta yung ating special guest band and the grand winner na magko-collab sana or gusto nila kasing ma-meet kayo lahat and then gusto nilang i-perform yung kanilang winning piece. What we did is we came up with something for everyone para may marinig kayong music while you're watching this opening podcast for season 2. It's no original song, we just did a few covers para meron lang kaming maibigay sa inyo. These are music from I have my separate genre and my one part of the FB Music Laban team here who's rare, who did the guitar. He also has his own genre. So we came up with really a collaboration kung ano yung ibibigay namin sa inyo together with Boss Coach. But yeah, I hope ma-enjoy nyo lahat. Bagay yung mga kanta kasi umuulan. Kanya. Bagay pakinggan. Sana magustuhan nyo. Watch this. Bawal mang bash. Hindi ko pa sasalihin pag nang-bash. Charot lang. Enjoy!
Love will keep us together. Think of me, babe, whenever some sweet talking girl comes along, singing a song. Don't mess around, you gotta be strong. Just talk, 'cause I really love you. Stop, I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. You belong to me now. Ain't gonna set you free now. When those girls start hanging around, making a sound, here with your heart and you won't hear a sound. Just stop, 'cause I really love you. Stop, I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. Whatever. Young and beautiful, someday your looks will be gone. When the others turning you off, who'll be turning you on? I will be that who shall forever. Love will keep us together. Say it before and I'll say it again. While others pretend, I need you now and I need you then. Just stop, 'cause I really love you. Stop, I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. Whatever. I will be that who shall forever. Love will keep us together. Said it before and I'll say it again. While others pretend, I need you now and I'll need you then. Just stop, 'cause I really love you. Stop, I'll be thinking of you. Look in my heart and let love keep us together. Gonna live my life like every teach you. Now that you're gone, I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me now. There it goes up in the sky. There it goes beyond the clouds for no reason why. I can't cry hard enough. No, I can't cry hard enough for you to hear me now.
Ay na! So, para po sa inyong lahat yan, sana nagustuhan nyo. Sana na-in love kayo. Yung mga na may pinagdadaanan dyan, sana hindi namin masyadong na-trigger do sa isang kanta na love song. Pero, yeah, very far from the music genre that I had been doing. I know it's very far also from Rares, but yeah, kinalab namin yung para sa inyo kasi para mag-match lang. Doon kami nag-match, doon na filter. O, sige, ito na lang para ibigay namin sa inyo. But definitely, soon may mapapanood ulit tayo na bands, and hopefully okay pa yung grand winner natin, Picas Punto, join us. Okay? Now, I would like to let you see the full music video of our second place, Hawaiian Combo Meal with the song Higawat. Enjoy!
Kung saan mo pa lang naman naligo ang lamang, baka kaya ko pa siyang masapawan. Baka nga lang naman, kahit medyo alangan sa takbo ng orasan, pwedeng idaan-daan sa paraan. Chani lang, at tuwing naalala ang naglawan kong lutang, minsan hindi ko naisip na di makontento sa silip-silip. Pag bigla kang nadan, may ngitian, labas pagkan hanggang kinabukasan na akong mukhang kulang-kulang. At bakit ko nga ba nahiyan matamaan at maiwan? Ako naman ang may kasalanan, huwag mo na sanang ipag-ilan. Hindi ko alam, ano nga lang ba ko sa'yo? Sapat pa ba yung gusto mo rin ako? Sapat pa ba yung gusto? Ipagtili-tili na pabulong-bulong habang nagulong-gulong sa pagkalulong. Hindi ko akalain, sana di patigyawatin, sakit pagsalo pa ng ilong. Nakikinabang pa ba tayo sa ganito? Kailan ba natin tatapusin ang laro? Hindi ko akalain, baka di ko lang maano. Ang hirap din pala maging bano. At tuwing naalala nagalawan kong lutang, minsan hindi ko naisip na di makontento sa silip-silip. Pag bigla kang nadan, may ngitian, labas pagkan hanggang kinabukasan na akong mukhang kulang-kulang. At bakit ko nga ba nahiyan matamaan at maiwan? Ako naman ang may kasalanan, huwag mo na sanang ipagdiinan. Hindi ko alam, ano nga lang ba ko sa'yo? Sapat pa ba yung gusto mo rin? Sapat pa ba yung gusto? At bakit ko nga ba nahiyan matamaan at maiwan? Ako na yung gusto mo rin ako. Tuloy na lang natin to, ngayong wala nang manghuli. Sa mga yakap mong hayop sa higpit, susugal man ako ulit. Sana lang di na mabuhan sa sobrang sakit. Alam ko rin naman na mauuwi ka sa kasalan. Pinilit kahit alam kung meron tong hanggan. Kung pwede lang ipihit-pihit ang saglit, kahit konting panahon lang ang may balik. Pwede ba pumarito, manalang pumarito, kahit pa sobrang labo na pwedeng mangyari sa ating ngayon. Gawin totoo ang ating delusyon. At pwede ba ako na lang, huwag ka nang lumisan, lumisan. At pwede bang ako na lang, huwag ka nang lumisan, lumisan. At pwede bang, pwede nga lang ba, pwede nga lang ba, pwede nga lang ba, lumisan. Pwede nga lang ba, pwede nga lang ba, pwede nga lang ba, pwede nga lang ba, lumisan. Pwede nga lang ba, pwede nga lang ba, pwede nga lang ba, pwede nga lang ba, pwede nga lang.
Ang ganda ng animation ng Hawaiian combo meal, no? Gustong-gusto ko yung animation. And yeah, so this time I'll let you watch the winning music video of our grand prize winner from Pick a Spoon. Enjoy nyo, panoorin nyo ng buo. This is LDR.
Mas lumalalim habang matagal, sana'y ganon ka rin. Natatakot na mabitin, ikaw lang ang minamahal. Mas lumalalim habang tumatagal, sana'y ganon ka rin. Natatakot na mabitin.
Sorry, manam ko. That's Coke soda. Okay, so that's it. That's our grand winner pick a spoon. Hopefully, makasama natin sila dito sa ating art house of Antipolo soon. Malalaman nyo kung kailan yan, and with a very special guest band as well. Marami pa tayong kwentuhan and all. And just yesterday, pinost na po ni Boss Coach yung revamp of the mechanics and the rules. So, ugaliin po nating magbasa para maging maayos yung pagsasubmit natin ng entry. We now have an official entry form for FB Music Laban Season 2. Doon lang po kami tatanggap ng mga entries nyo starting actually November 8 up to November 30. Do we have a 31? We don't have. November 8 to November 30, and then dun lang sa entry form namin ang tatanggapin na entries. Of course, same routine, titignan namin kung ano yung mga valid. Lahat ng guidelines nandun, pati yung revamped rules for voting. Take note, hearts na lang ang ia-allow na reacts, at may twist. So, syempre, it's a competition. So, kung ako ay kasali, binigyan ko kayo ng isang angry react. It's gonna be less than your vote. Yan. So, lagyan natin ng konting challenge. And, ito yung pinaka-highlight ng revamp ng rule. Lahat ng lahat ng mag-heart dapat follower. Very strict follower. Walang hindi follower. Hindi counted. Kahit pa dyan ng ilang mga eme-eme. Not counted if they are not an FB Music Laban official page follower. And that's very clear. Okay? Babalikan ulit natin yung mga rules and mechanics na yan soon, kasama yung ating mga guest band and our grand winner. Pag-uusapan ulit natin yan. But for now, I'd like you to check on our YouTube channel. Nasa page po yung link ng ating YouTube channel and our TikTok channel. You can see the official entry form there. The rules and the mechanics as well are there. And of course, there are a lot of ways to reach us. Send us a message. Send us an email. Send us a message in TikTok. Mag-subscribe na rin kayo sa YouTube. You can comment on the videos and the posts and all that. That's it. So, basically, hindi naman masyadong mahirap. Meron lang mga talagang strict changes na kinakailangan nating i-implement for Season 2. And also, meron din tayong a few modification in terms of, holding like a podcast. It's still in the works. Pinag-usapan pa namin kung paano namin gagawin para mas lalo kaming maging engaging at makakonect kami ng mas madalas sa inyo. We're gonna have to sit down and talk about it more para mas flawless yung ating Season 2. And of course, we'll be generous to share those updates to you. You just have to check on our Facebook page, YouTube channel rather, and our TikTok page. Okay? So, di ko kabisado yung link, but it's there. Yung TikTok channel and the YouTube, check it out. Kasama yun sa pinost ni Boss kahapon. I'm gonna do another post as well para highlight lang natin yung mga social media channels natin. Kung saan nyo kami pwedeng makausap or makakwentuhan. Okay? So, soon, we'll see you guys. We'll have a mini tugtugan, kwentuhan, and all few announcements as well, and we'll address all your questions. Kung meron, may mga nakapark na questions, pag-uusapan natin yan ulit. And hopefully, maging okay na yung panahon, makasama nyo ulit ang buong FB Music Laban team. Again, on behalf of FB Music Laban teams, maraming salamat sa pag-suporta sa Season 1, and inaasahan namin ang suporta nyo this Season 2. Maraming salamat din, Boss Coach, Sir McCoy, salamat. Jesus, sa lahat ng bumubo ng FB Music Laban team. Thank you so much, and sana patuloy pang maging maayos ang ating hangarin para sa ating kapwa mga musikero. Again, this is your Coach Sammy. See you soon. Bye!